Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield cargo link not working. Okay, first things first, you should check the location of the cargo links. Cargo links can only transfer items between two outposts within the same star system. If the cargo links are placed in different star systems, they will not work. Next, ensure that the cargo links are receiving power. Cargo links require power to function. If they are not connected to a power source, they will not work. To check the power supply of the cargo links, interact with them and look for the power icon. If the power icon is red, it means that the cargo link is probably not powered. And as simple as it is, hopefully this helps in solving your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield cargo link not working. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.